bought this Lamborghini, guys. This is not looking so much realistic. So today I'm gonna find the best Lamborghini for all of us. So let's go to Flipkart and search for it. So let's find best Lamborghini, guys.
A few moments later.
So finally we have got something and this is looking cool. और ये available भी red color में है, black, green और bro yellow color is looking sexy as fuck. Okay, हम लोग ये yellow color ही order करेंगे. So let's buy it now and let's wait.
1 week later.
So here we got the box, guys. So let's do the unboxing and let's see what we got. Oh my god, this is looking crazy. So I have got it for 350 rupees, guys. Let's see, is that worthy or not? Okay, guys, look at this, look at it. What the crazy. Bro, look at the detailing, guys. Now this is looking cool. Wow. And it also have lights, guys. What a crazy model, bro. Seriously? This one is looking cool and plus only 350 rupees. A full metallic car with such a details. Crazy, guys. Easily I can recommend it to you. This got more details than the previous one. This is seriously a wonderful model to have, guys. Just look at the detailings here. If I talk about the details, guys, just look at it. It had got every single thing from the starting. This sexy design with that logo of 63. Just look at it. So much detailing, so much. If you want to buy, guys, I will give the link in the description. Just look at it. All the details are cleared. Just look. Just a crazy model to have. You can also see the fence, the back side with the design, the left side and the back side with the Lamborghini on it. If we compare both the Lambos, just look at the difference, guys. The new one is having much more details. This is the old Lambo we have. Just look at it. It does not have any details on it, no logo, but the new one, guys, just look at it. Thank you all the collectors for watching the video. Like, comment and subscribe my channel Collecting with You. Peace off.